particle. Okay, so atom is considered as the smallest particle of an object. Now just see here the structure of atom we are talking. The word atom has been derived from the Greek word atomic, which means uncuttable or divisible. Like first theory was given by Dalton. According to him, atom was like an tennis ball, which is indivisible. Like subatomic particles are derived and discovered later, like electron, proton and neutron discovered later. First discovery was it was about only an atom, and atom was like a tennis ball. If we cut into half, it will be hollow inside, like that. So that is why atom was taken as indivisible. The atomic theory of matter first proposed on a scientific basis known by John Dalton. Okay, a British school teacher, and his theory called Dalton's atomic theory. Okay, so we are going to discuss about that also, Dalton's atomic theory, which is given by a scientist named John Dalton. According to him only, atom is indivisible. Okay, the experiment observation made by the scientist in 19th and 20th century, the atoms can be further divided into subatomic particles. What are the subatomic particles? Electron, proton, neutron. We are seeing here the example: electrons, protons and neutrons. The symbolically I had written. This concept is totally different from the Dalton's concept, because Dalton's concept was atom is indivisible, but there are divisions. There is a nucleus which has proton and neutron, and there are moving particles around that in specific orbit, that is called electron. So let's discuss about that. The major problem to give exact theory for structure of atom: law of constant composition and law of multiple proportion. So these three type of laws can be explained by Dalton's theory. Okay, very successfully. It failed to explain results of many experiments, like glass or ebonite. When it is rubbed with silk or fur, it generates electricity. Okay, glass or ebonite is rubbed with silk or wool substance, a small piece of silk or small piece of wool which is rubbed with the glass. So what happens? The kind of electricity is generated. You also would have observed this experiment at the daily life, regular life also it happens. So you feel that's kind of spark, means the electricity is generated. So that is not explained by Dalton's theory. So how it is? Why it happens? This section we are going to see. We will talk about only two particles, namely proton and electron. Let's see how it has been discovered and how the steps.